Well, I think really it's just such an important and timely discussion, a three-day event bringing together all of the important stakeholders in this really critical issue of our time, which is building resilience and sustainability in the face of the what we have now, the poly crisis, the triple planetary crisis of climate change, biodiversity loss, pollution, as well as a number of additional crises that especially poor and vulnerable communities are facing. So it's really important, this intersectorality, governments, civil society, business, international community, UN, all working together to help provide communities and nations with the tools that they need to prevent and plan and respond to these multiple crises that we're facing in today's world. Well, sure, I think, and here it's really an important and timely moment to be in India. So this is an international conference. This is looking at, sharing lessons and exchange across countries. But I think that it's really such an important moment to be working on these issues here in India, because India is quite rapidly developing important best practices, new ways to approach things. So, for example, the Secretary General of the UN just launched a global initiative last year calling for all people across the world to be covered by early warning systems, disaster risk early warning systems within the next 5 years. Well, India has tested and implemented a number of very important early warning systems. For example, cyclone early warning systems, which has helped all along the coast, quite a long coast with great exposure to risk, helped reduce fatalities considerably, 90%, and economic loss and such. So also, India at the moment is president of the G20. India is supporting the International Solar Alliance, the Coalition on Disaster Resilient Infrastructure. So there are a number of ways through also South-South cooperation that India is helping bring best practice developed here to other countries, and we in the United Nations system are more and more partners in that process as well.